Hi guys, welcome back with my channel. On this video, I will show you with the two basics in Microsoft Word. First, how to using find tool in Microsoft Word, and the second, how to replace word. So that is it follows. I will to explain you step by step. Now first, I want to search or find my word, the pictures in this paragraph. So first, I click on Home, and next, click on Find this button here. And after, look at the left side, and next click on the box and tap the word pictures. So after I tap the word pictures, it will show me two words in this paragraph, this one and this one. There is the word pictures. They are show me two results on this paragraph. So this one and this one. You can try if you want to search or find any word in your paragraph like that. So now we go on with how to replace the word. For example, I want to replace word the pictures here like that to the photo. So first, I just click on this button, replace here, and next, I find where the word pictures because I want to change this word to the word photo. And next, I click on replace all. It means that so all my paragraph if have the word pictures will change to the word photo all. Okay, so I click on replace all. So the result in the dialog box it shows me that all done. We made two replacements. It means that two words the picture will change to the photo in the paragraph. So I click on OK and I click closed. Okay, check the outcome of together. So the word picture change to the word photo. Okay, this one, this is a photo. So I change colors to note it. This one and this one. Okay, so there are two words change from the word picture to photos. So with this step, I think that you understand because that is easy. But sometimes if you don't know how to replace or find, so that is very difficult with your working also. Okay, thanks for you watching this video. If I have any mistake, I will to say sorry. Goodbye. See you next video.